She fought alongside legends 80 years ago. Now this 90-year-old warrior needs us. Meet Miss Louise Brown, a living piece of civil rights history who stood with fellow workers during the Charleston cigar factory strike that helped birth the anthem "We Shall Overcome." For decades, Miss Brown has been the heart of our fight for justice. At 90, she still inspires with the same courage that carried her into historic streets nearly 8 decades ago. She's fought for better jobs, stronger schools, and fairer communities, never backing down when called upon. Now, this legendary activist is making her homecoming, moving back to her family property where she belongs. But her modest home needs approximately $15,000 in essential repairs before she can settle into the peace she's earned. We have a rare chance to give back to someone who's given us everything. Will you help Miss Brown complete her journey home with the dignity and strength she deserves?